Let us see what happens to the next extension option. We have app extension, which means you run your advertisement on mobile phone, you run your advertisement on a computer, and both along with your advertisement, we will show an option to click and install the mobile application. Okay, you can install a mobile application from your computer. Okay, you can install a mobile application from your computer. You can go to your Play Store, log in with the same email ID that you have logged in on your smartphone, and you can click on the install option. So the application will be installed virtually on the phone. Okay, so app extension. You can add this mobile application extension on account level, campaign level, and ad group level. All the three are available based on your requirement. Okay, when it's showing on your mobile phone, preferably to try to show on mobile phone, because when people use a smartphone, the probability of clicking, converting, and installing the application is very high. Okay, that is one. Now you can create a new extension or select the extension that is already have. There is no app extension already given here, so we will try to create a new extension. Okay, there are two major platforms that is used. One is Android and another one is iOS. Okay, if you are asking me like what should I do if I want to target people, who are in using Windows or BlackBerry or something like that, I even feel pity on that, because the number of users who are using Windows phone or BlackBerry phone is very less. So generally that is not considered for advertising or other stuff. People don't even develop application for these two. You take the biggest game change, game player in the telecom industry, Geo, which has launched hundreds and hundreds of applications together. Okay, they have developed applications for Android and iOS only. They have not developed application for BlackBerry or Windows. The reason being, there is very reasonable amount of users. So there is no use of putting that much amount of effort to create an application, which is not going to generate any huge business for them. So they know very well it is Android and iOS is what is used by people right now. Okay. Now if you look into, you can click on Android, that is the operating system we are trying to target, or you can click on the iOS. Now the problem is, if you are having both Android and iOS application, we cannot promote the app extension or the mobile app installation in the same campaign. The one campaign you have to create to run the Android application installation, and another campaign you have to use the iOS application installation. So once you are selected as Android, start selecting your application name. Okay, let me say right now I'm using a software called Autoresponder for WA, which means like for WhatsApp. Okay, which I'm using it to automate my online course. Okay, so this is the one which I'm using, TK Studio. Okay, so what does it talks about? Okay, autoresponder for WhatsApp. So working like charm, perfect. Okay, so I'm using this, and the reason why I'm using this application is because there is a one-time payment, lifetime payment of 1,000 rupees, so I don't need to renew it again and again. Okay, now I can click select the application of my choice. Now along with your advertisement that is shown here, you will see an option called download now. So people, if they are visiting from a mobile phone, they can click on the download now button and have the application installed of their choice. Okay, the link has a text of download now. If you want, you can change this text, something like install now or download now. Most probably download now is the right way to do it, so that when people click, they'll be taken to the Play Store. So people can go to the Play Store, there they'll be having an option to install, so they tap on the install button. Okay, this is one. And device preferences. Okay, let me say you have developed your application, but that app is not supporting a tablet, which means like what I'm trying to say is, there are applications which will be developed for the operating system. Okay, right now we are using Android 5, so Android 10 plus, right? So that is the operating system we are using right now. So if it is not supporting this one, or if there is a tablet that is running with a very lower version of Android like Android 4.4 something like that, then if you do not want to show your advertisement to those people who are using a tablet, you can click on the exclude tablet option so that your advertisement is not shown on tabs. It is shown only on smartphones. Okay. Again, we have a URL app, uh, custom URL options to track multiple URLs if you have. Okay. And the advanced options where you can schedule your advertisements, okay, from one time to another. So every extension that you are trying to add here comes with an option to schedule. Okay, that's a wonderful option. Where do people take it as an advantage? Let me say I'm running an advertisement for a shop and I receive inquiry only during my shop is kept open. And if my shop is opening at 9 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock in the night, now I make sure that I receive advertisement calls only from morning 9 to evening 10. That's it. So that will make my day very productive. Okay, so this is basically about the app installation. If you are trying to add uh, iOS application, then you have to click on the remove button. So click on iOS and try to search for the same autoresponder for WhatsApp. I'm not sure whether they have a autoresponder application for WhatsApp. Let me try to search something like autoresponder. There's something called group scheduler, okay, where you send bulk SMS, bulk group SMS service. That's really nice. Let me say you have 10 to 15 groups that you have created in WhatsApp, and you can only send a message to 5 groups maximum. Now when you install an application like this that helps you to reply to the message automatically, obviously it is paid. So let me say I'm selecting this one under the iOS application. Now I can either create an extension or a mobile app installation for Android or iOS separately. In a single advertisement, I may not be able to install both Android, or I may not be able to promote both Android and iOS. Okay, so I need to create a separate options. It will be a great choice once you follow the on-screen instructions on executing this one, and that will be easy to create this extension.